tonight we're making a family bolognese. So many different takes on this recipe. We're going to use our 4 litre today, and we're going to heat it up on about 5, medium heat, not too high. A bit of oil in the bottom, and we're going to add our onion, celery and carrots to the bottom. We don't want these to burn, we just want to sweat them down until they're translucent, which maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Sweating this down a little bit, getting this nice and soft and translucent, but still nothing is, we don't want to brown it or burn it, worse still. Okay, make a bit of a welt, turn the heat up, and now we're going to start adding our mince. Now I've got a mixture of, I've got about 1 kilo of beef and 500 grams of pork mince. So I'm doing a big lot, so it's up to you what combination you use. But we just slowly start integrating the meat and breaking it up. Keep browning the mince until it's separated and it's no longer pink. Add the tomato paste, because we want to evaporate a lot of that water in the bottom. Try and get rid of that, but we don't want to burn anything. So add the passata. I like this one. You can make your own or chop tomatoes, but really chop them up. Okay, now we're going to mix that through. Keep the temperature up if it's still a little bit watery. Add a good glug of red wine. Now the alcohol will burn off, so if you're feeding this to children, that's fine, just it will burn off. So we just got to keep it moving. Chicken stock. I use these gel stock cubes because I don't want to add any more liquid. They like oregano, a bit of thyme and a bit of rosemary, but it's totally personal. I don't put garlic in mine, but you can put garlic. Some people put Worcestershire sauce. There's no rules really. So this now needs to cook away. Once I add the herbs, it needs to cook away for another hour or two. Or oregano, salt, pepper. Okay, so I've got some rosemary, some thyme, and some bay leaves, and don't forget you're going to have to pick those out a bit later. Some people even put a whole chili in there. A bit of a stir just to get everything immersed in there. And then I'm going to put the lid, I'm not going to cover it this time completely because I kind of want that sauce to reduce in the next hour or so. I'm going to put the lid on kind of half like this on about 4. Now if it's bubbling away too much, you have to check it. Maybe you need to drop it down, but we want that to reduce slowly. Okay, we're going to cook penne. I love doing these because they absorb a lot of the sauce. Thing to the end, we just glug of milk. That's the secret ingredient. Just makes it rich and creamy. Need to add some of the sauce. Add the sauce, keep some for another day. And let's just mix it through. This is fantastic.